Welcome back to our YouTube channel Aman Codes. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about predefined functions in set data type, right? So in previous episode, we have discussed the last predefined function as update of. This update of will merge the two sets, right? So let's see the difference underscore update of function. So what this difference underscore update of function will do? See here, syntax set object 1 dot difference underscore update of set object 2. So this function removes the common elements from the set object 1 and set object 2. So set object 1 and set object 2's common elements is going to be removed and takes the remaining elements from the set object 1, place those elements in set object 1 itself. So what are the elements that have present in set object 1? It is going to be placed there itself. So let's see this type of difference underscore update of function. So difference function is going to be placed that elements into new variable called S3. So if you go to the previous episode, see here, difference of function will going to place the elements into set object 3, right? So here difference underscore update is going to place in set object 1 itself. So let's see here S1 and this is S2. I'm going to use the function called what the function difference underscore update of. This is my function I'm going to use here. So S1 dot difference underscore update of S2. So what this difference underscore update will do in the sense, it will eliminate the common elements from the both set objects S1 and S2, and it is going to be placed the remaining elements of S1 into S1 itself. See here. Now I'm trying to access S1 and its type. See here. So in S1 we have two elements that are 76 and 98, right? So which is comes under class set. So by using difference function, we are going to place the remaining elements into a new object. But here, by using this difference underscore update of, we are going to place that elements in S1 itself. So that is a difference between difference of a function and difference underscore update of a function. So let's see the next predefined function, intersection underscore update of. So this intersection underscore update of function takes all common elements of set object 1 and set object 2 and place those elements in set object 1 itself. So first of all, we have intersection, right? So what intersection will do? It will take all the common elements from both the sets, right? So from the set object 1 and set object 2. So it takes the common elements and place those common elements into set object 1 itself. So first of all, intersection is going to be completed. After that, update of. So update function will merge the two set objects, right? So this is one set object and this is another set object. So the merged two set objects are placed in set object 1 itself. In the sense, whatever the elements are there here and here, it is going to place set object 1 only, right? So here also same thing. First difference will be done. After that merging will be done. So here intersection is going to be completed. After that update is going to be completed. So that common elements from the both sets. So here we have common elements and here also we have common elements. So from the both sets common elements is going to be placed in set object 1 itself. So the combination of intersection function and update function is going to be done in intersection underscore update of function. Same here, the two operations, difference of a function and update of a function is going to be done here as a difference underscore update of a function. So these single function contains two predefined functions. So this is my S1 and this is my S2. Now I'm going to do S1 dot intersection underscore update of S2. So this intersection function will take the common elements from the both the sets and it is going to kept in S3 object. But so here we have intersection underscore update of. So this update of function will merge the sets and keep the merged information in S1 itself. So that is the reason first intersection is going to be happen. Next update is going to be happen. So intersection, the 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30 is going to be taken. That 10, 20, 30 is going to be placed in S1 object. So that is known as update function will do, right? So intersection of update will do, take the common elements and place the common elements into S1 object. So let's see. Now I'm trying to access S1 and its type. See here. So 10, 20, 30 is going to be placed, right? Which comes under a class set, right? So this is about intersection underscore update of a function. The next function and the last predefined function in set data type is symmetric underscore difference underscore update of. So the combination of symmetric underscore difference and update is known as symmetric underscore difference underscore update of a function. So first of all, it is going to be done symmetric underscore difference. And next, it is going to be update. Update in the sense, so merging the two set objects. Let's see the syntax. So set object one dot symmetric underscore difference underscore update of set object 2. So see here, first of all, symmetric underscore difference. What symmetric underscore difference do in the sense, this symmetric underscore difference will remove the common elements from the both set object 1 and set object 2 and takes the remaining elements from the set object 1 and takes the remaining elements from the set object 2 and kept in another variable. I am talking about symmetric underscore difference. So that is symmetric underscore difference. So update function is going to merge the two set objects, right? So the combination of the two functions is here it will remove the common elements from the both sets and remaining elements from the set object 1 and remaining elements from the set object 2. This set object 2 remaining elements is going to be merged with this set object 1 remaining elements. This function removes the common elements of set object 1 and set object 2 and it takes remaining elements from the set object 1 and set object 2, place those remaining elements in set object 1 itself. So what are the remaining elements from these set objects are left over? That remaining elements has been stored in set object 1 itself. So let's go to the practical. Now I'm going to declare same S1 and same S2. See here, I'm going to use here S1 dot symmetric underscore difference underscore update of S2. See here, the common elements from the both sets is going to be removed. 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30 is going to be removed from the both sets. And the remaining elements from the S1 is 76 and 98. And the remaining elements from the S2 is 40 and 50. These 40 and 50 is going to be added here in S1. So the remaining elements are placed in S1 itself. If I try to access S1 and its type, see here, it contains 4 elements. That 4 elements are from set 1 and set 2. So this 4 elements is also comes under class set. So this is about symmetric underscore difference underscore update of a function. So by this episode, we have successfully completed the predefined functions of set data type. So that's all for today's video. I hope you all understand. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Aman Codes. Thank you so much for watching.